So here we have limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos mx divided by 1 minus cos nx. So if we substitute x equal to 0, we get 0 by 0. So here we can apply l'hospital rule. L'hospital rule. So which is like we can divide it by, we can do the differentiation of with respect to x. So once if we do the differentiation, we get sine mx divided by sine nx into, here we have m divided by n. So because we will do the differentiation for mx and nx too. So next we have, again if we apply limit x tends to 0, we get 0 by 0. So again we can apply l'hospital rule. So that is, can get cos mx by cos nx. Here we have m, here n. So we can do the differentiation for m divided by n. So we will get m square by n square. Once we, this is cos 0 1 cos 0 1.